Hello, welcome back to Restyled, our monthly show where we bring you the insights that you need to know on Poshmark as both a seller and a shopper, and how you can apply those insights to your closet. It's mid-March, which means happy late International Women's Day to everyone, of course, but also it is spring. So we're going to be talking about spring things that we'll be shopping for, how we're refreshing our closets for the new season, and also some tips for spring cleaning, of course, because we're Poshmark. Today I'm joined by the lovely Chloe. Welcome, Chloe.
Thank you. So excited to be here.
She is from our merchandising team, our head of merchandising, and she's going to be talking us through some amazing insights for shopping and selling on Poshmark. Yes. We're so excited to have you.
Thank you. We're so happy to be here. I can't wait to dive into all the great insights and share with you how to shop and how to list. I think when was the last time I saw you? I feel like it was in New York.
Yeah, I went thrifting with Chloe. Every time I'm in New York, I have to hit her up for a little thrift trip. She knows all the good spots. And I found some amazing things. I actually got that great leather jacket.
Oh my God.
That,
yes,
oversized.
I remember that.
Yeah, super cute. So yeah.
Ooh, love. Yay.
You look so cute. Tell us what you're wearing.
Yeah, this is like my cartoon character uniform. I feel like I wear it every day. Just some vintage jeans, and then not being in New York, I'm taking advantage, and I'm like, okay, I don't need to wear sneakers, so threw on a little heel, and then, yeah, just a white t-shirt.
So good. It looks so cute.
Thank you.
We're going to be talking about all the spring things, styles, brands, what's trending, what we're going to be shopping. Should we get into it?
Yes, so excited. We've dug into the Poshmark data to help you influence what you should be shopping for spring break and for festival season if you're going to a festival.
I feel like I'm so ready for spring.
Yes.
Especially given how it's been just like the longest rainy winter in San Francisco. And I know in New York it's been the same.
The same. So, speaking of spring, and speaking of festival season, this goes hand in hand with festival season, crochet. Do you wear crochet? How do you feel about it?
I still have some crochet left in my closet from like years ago from like the Coachella days.
Yes.
But I've been seeing people, I'm I'm tempted to list it, but I've also been seeing people style it in new ways, like beyond just the beach.
Okay.
Dressing up a little bit, wearing like a slip underneath.
Love.
Or like a cute set underneath. I feel like there's some ways that crochet is coming back in like a fresher way.
Ooh, yes. I think we're seeing the same because shoppers are shopping for crochet. Orders for crochet are up 143% since last year. So there's definitely demand for that. So if you're wanting to try and wear crochet, it's time to hop on the trend. And that's with crochet tops and crochet dresses. Shifting gears a little bit, this next trend, I think we've all seen a lot. Almost too much. The mob wife aesthetic.
Everywhere.
I know. Everywhere. It's literally everywhere.
What do you think about it?
You know, I like certain components of it. I would never do full mob wife. It's a bit
all together.
Yeah, too costumey for me. I feel like everyone would be like, Chloe, what?
Yeah, what are you wearing?
What is this? Exactly.
This is
yeah, this is not you. Where's the pink?
Yes.
So with that comes animal print, and we're seeing orders for animal print up 115% year over year. But it's not exactly what you're thinking. It's different. I feel like animal print is being done in almost, you said it perfectly.
A neutral.
Yes, exactly. A neutral way.
I saw this really good tip from a girl on TikTok that was like, when you're getting dressed, just swap your jeans for like an animal print pant and treat it as a neutral. And I love that. So
smart.
I really have been trying to get into more prints and color, as you can tell. So I feel like that was a great tip.
I think Poshers are taking to it as well because we're seeing animal print pants and jumpsuits up 131% year over year. Yeah, so people are definitely hopping on the animal print train. And then tried and true with festival wear and this whole like Yellowstone, Aspen, you know, we've got the cowboy hats.
Jackson Hole.
Yeah, Jackson Hole. Everybody's suddenly a cowboy. Is Fringe jackets and coats, and orders for Fringe jackets and coats are up 109% year over year. Amazing. I love when a Fringe jacket and coat is a little bit more bold. Like I love a cobalt blue moment. Yeah, blue. I feel like it's nice.
And a fringe. That's such a fun idea.
Yeah, I have a few saved in my likes on Poshmark. I'll share with you because I feel like you would love.
Yes. She's sharing her Poshmark likes.
Exactly. My secret likes.
we just saw Beyonce just released 2 new
Yes.
songs
Oh my
off
God.
her album.
Yes.
And she's doing her country thing. Obviously, we've seen it's been the year of Taylor Swift.
Yes.
But I feel like with Beyonce's new album
Yeah.
and kind of that like cowgirl glam
Pharrell
vibe
for
that we're
Louis
seeing.
Vuitton.
Yes.
Yeah, very much cowboy.
So it's going to be, I think we saw a lot of like coastal cowgirl last summer, but people are really just doing it year round.
Yes. And then another trend that we're seeing, not even a trend at all, for spring, and definitely a lot of demand is florals for spring.
Groundbreaking.
So floral mini dresses, orders are up 203%. That's
Wow, that's
major.
insane.
That's major. So if you are looking to shop for this, you know, Poshmark is definitely the place to shop. And if you're looking to list, these are all great places where you can list as well.
Love. I definitely am going to have to do a little Poshmark shopping after
Oh,
this.
yeah.
I'm getting inspired.
I know.
But when do I not? I need an excuse to shop every
We're
time, every day.
constantly shopping.
I feel like I have been trying to have a rule with myself where everything I shop for, or every time I shop something or buy something, I try and also list something. I don't have enough closet space in my tiny apartment. Literally, I've already reserved the whole bedroom closet. My
Yes.
boyfriend has to take the hall closet with the Dyson and the
Same.
broom.
That's exactly how it should be.
Yeah.
Like, sorry, my
They know
clothes
their
are more
place.
important. Yeah.
So let's get into some listing tips for cleaning out your closet for the spring season.
Yes. So listing sometimes can feel overwhelming. What do you list? How do you do it? And what can you clear out of your closet? Well, I'm here to tell you that let's get rid of all of that, and we're doing the hard part today. So what has the highest resale value? What are the items in your closet that are literally just, I'm like visualizing as like cash just hanging in your closet? And let's walk through some of those today. Kicking things off, you know, the start of spring is the start of baby showers. You were just at an engagement party last night. It's constantly like that casual, dressy look. And when you wear something once, you know, you're photographed in it with your friends, it's on Instagram. And one of those items that has a really, really high resale value is Reformation midi dresses. I mean, how many?
Tried and true.
Yeah, how many have you listed on Poshmark?
And I have 3
million.
because I also exactly what you said about like you Instagram it, you get a photo in it, you wear it to a wedding.
Yes.
There's just like this revolving door of weddings and you feel like you
Yes.
can't wear things twice.
Right.
Which usually I don't abide by. I love to repeat outfits, but weddings are a tough one because you're in the wedding, there's a specific color that they want. Reformation dresses really just like do the hard work, but they also are worth it in the end because you can just resell them.
Exactly.
And they hold their value so well.
Exactly.
That's a
exactly.
classic.
Yeah. So the average resale value is $105. I mean, that's nearly the full price
Crazy.
of the Reformation dress. And that's up 16% year over year. So we're just seeing the demand really skyrocket with that, which is amazing and great for you because I know a lot of you out there have them sitting in your closet.
Yes. Do you have a Reformation dress in your closet or have you sourced one recently that you're going to list? Let us know in the comments so we can shop.
With work from home and cozy casual, Ugg Slippers have a really high resale value. And I think it's something that we all have as well. So their average resale value is $87.
Wow.
Which is, yeah.
Crazy
Pretty
for
major.
slippers, yeah.
Exactly. For a slipper, like you don't wear it outside. So definitely list. If you're thinking of partying with them and getting a new pair, now's the time because you're really going to get your return. And then I think we all enjoy a good comeback moment. So Coach Crossbody bags, I know are
I love
a
Coach.
favorite. They're so good. The average resale value is $81. And that's something we
Insane.
all have in our closet that we all jumped on the train a long time ago, whether it was in like, you know, 2003 or now with the resurgence. And there's a real demand from the shopper for Coach crossbody bags and Coach bags in general. And then along a similar vein, what are on your feet right now? I think
Ooh, my little
your
Sambas.
Adidas sneakers. No surprise, we've seen them blow up over the past 2 years, whether it's a Samba or a Gazelle. The average resale value is $53, and the demand for Adidas sneakers is insane. Did you see the collaboration with Wales Bonner?
Yes.
Yeah.
Insane. I
oh my
want them
God.
so
I want
bad.
them so bad, but I'm like,
Yeah. I know.
can't do it.
And I
we
also
shop too much.
I already have so many pairs of shoes. I just got the
Yes.
Onitsukas.
Oh,
which I love as well.
You have the
silver.
metallic, right?
Yeah,
yes,
silver metallic.
so cute.
But I feel like Adidas, like these just feel like I'm not wearing shoes. It's
Yes.
so comfortable.
So comfortable.
So I might have to pop for a pair. We'll see.
Exactly. Exactly. So everything we've just talked through, if you have it sitting in your closet, please list it because you're going to make your money back. And who doesn't love that?
And I can shop it as well.
Exactly. We can shop it, which we love.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now we have all these great tips about what we're going to be listing on in our closets for this spring season, spring cleaning season. Now comes my personal favorite part of the show, where we phone a friend from our Poshmark community to call in and give us their tips on the topic at hand. So obviously we're talking spring cleaning today. Today we're going to call up Maddie, our friend from Miami. We actually just partied with her at the Posh Party Live in Miami. It was so much fun seeing all you guys. Let us know if you joined, and we'd love to see you at our next event. So little shameless plug there. But Maddie is going to jump in with her tip for spring cleaning. Let's take it away, Maddie.
So if you haven't worn it in 6 months, get rid of it. You're probably not going to wear it again. And then my other one would be, as you do laundry, start placing the items in the front of a clothing rack, and they're naturally going to get pushed towards the back. And come springtime, that's the stuff that you need to let go of.
Thank you, Maddie. Love that tip on the hanger. I definitely need to try that out in my closet. And I also loved her floral dress. We were talking about floral dresses for spring, that puff sleeve. I love a puff sleeve.
So cute.
And that's just like my dream dress. I think I'm going to have to go shop it. So thank you, Maddie. That was awesome. It's been so much fun having you on. I'm going to miss you.
I know.
But I'm coming to New York I'm sure we'll have a Posh Party Live there. So we'll see you in New York soon. Yay. We can do another thrift trip.
Yes, thrift and drink.
Yes, definitely.
Love it.
And thank you guys so much for joining. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all the things if you enjoyed the show. We'll also be linking all of the items in the description. So the trends and the brands that we talked about. And until next time, this has been Restyled. Thank you.